back to another studio vlog. This is my second studio vlog. The response I got on my last one that I did last month was so amazing. I just feel so excited for this new type of video on my channel. Whether you're new here and this is your first time seeing my face, or you've been on my channel since my high school or college vlogs and now you see me being a full-time business owner, and however you found me, I am just so thankful that you guys are liking these videos. Basically, studio vlog, I'm showing you how I run my small product-based business, Dream Daily, out of my studio apartment. It is December. We just had Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend. Got a lot of orders I need to package from there. I'm not gonna be able to show you guys every single order because there was just so many and I need to get them out quickly so that people can get their items in a timely manner. But thank you guys for all of your support. If you purchased or you just like an Instagram photo or you just watch and engage in this video, I am so thankful. And yeah, just some other fun business tings, what it's like running a small business. Let's go ahead and package some orders. So this is currently what the front of my apartment looks like. We have 5 boxes of all my mailers. I ordered these end of October, early November. They didn't get in till the day after I left for Thanksgiving, so that's why shipments have been a few days delayed. I just have to get back to my apartment to pick up all my mailer boxes, but let's open one up so I can start shipping. I also get questions on where I get my custom mailers. I order them from Uprinting. I'll see if they just have like some kind of refer a friend discount. I'll put it in the description box. I'm not sponsored by them. Package 1 of 5. Whoops, I definitely cut the first box. So I don't think that one can be used. Also, the shipping station is looking so good. Before I went home for Thanksgiving, I brought in all of these new workbooks and stacked them up here. I also have some new inventory. These are gonna get all refilled though because I just brought some more back from home. So the bottom 2 will be new workbooks, and then we'll put all of my boxes right here. Shoot, you know what I forgot to bring? The bubble wrap. Great. Picked out from inventory what I was going to need besides the tote bags, so that I know that when I'm done packaging, all these products need to be gone, and or I need to not be short on a product, so I make sure that everyone gets what they ordered. Also, it is a very gloomy day. It was beautiful and sunny earlier, and now it looks like it's gonna rain, so it's very dark. I'm sorry about the lighting, but it's just think it's cozy vibes. Gotta start by writing out my little thank you notes. I write the customer's name and then sign it with my name. And sometimes if I know the person, I'll add an extra little note. Or if I see they're like a return customer. Actually, in one of these packages, one of these orders, it was one customer's 17th order. So thank you so much, Therese, because your support of my small business and continued support does not go unnoticed. I don't know if you're watching this, but I just wanted to say thank you for like your 17th order, something like that. So in the last studio vlog, I asked you guys if you wanted ASMR order packaging, if you wanted it kind of sped up with music, and I got a good in between of responses. A lot of people said they liked the ASMR, and a lot of people said they didn't want ASMR. They wanted it to be sped up or me to be talking or something like that. So I thought I would still do some ASMR packaging videos, maybe just less frequently than these studio vlogs. And if you do want ASMR packaging videos, I do quicker, shorter videos of that on my TikTok. Like every week, there's an ASMR packing video, so go check that out. But I thought for these, where I'm just showing you guys packing a ton of orders, I thought I would do a little voiceover like I'm doing now and just kind of update you guys on things, talk about business, talk about stuff, and it kind of gives you something to listen to while you also watch these orders being packaged. So we're gonna have a little pack orders and chat with me. As you can see here, I'm just building out all of the mailer boxes. Thank goodness that shipment came in time to send out these Black Friday, Cyber Monday orders. It is really time consuming to package orders. It took me about a day and a half to get even just like 30 orders done. So that's why I'm actually bringing on an intern in 2023. Next semester, and I'm so excited for this. Of course, she is going to be doing more than just packing orders. That's going to be a really small amount of work in this job, and I'll be packing orders with her. It's going to be a lot of behind the scenes. She'll get insights too, and she'll get to just work side by side with me to see what it's like to run a product-based e-commerce business. So I'm actually going through applications now. I am hiring the intern from my alma mater, from my college, Belmont University, because I know the students there. I know they're super great. I love the entrepreneurship program since I'm hiring someone in the entrepreneurship marketing majors. And it was just the easiest way to get an intern because I have contacts there and they make it super easy for me to create the listings, and the students there kind of know who I am as well. So they trust me and know that they'll get a great experience coming and interning for me. But honestly, guys, I'm also a little nervous about it because I have had some people help me out with my business in the past. Some girls while I was in college who were also in college, they kind of just helped me with the business. Like in the first year I had the business, my sophomore year. And so I managed them a little bit, but they were more like my friends and they weren't paid or getting class credit. But now that I have like a real intern, someone younger than me who's getting the class credit, gonna be working like 10 to 15 hours a week with me, I just want to make sure that they get the best experience possible. And I know that building out a company culture, even though it's just one intern, it's not even like a part-time or full-time employee. Even though it's just one intern, I want to think about my company culture and how to be a good boss and how to give them an experience that is super worthwhile, that they can take a lot away from. So I'm kind of nervous, but I'm also so excited. I think it's just going to be so helpful to have someone to talk to throughout the day about my work. You know, usually you talk to coworkers or you even have your boss you can talk to, but when you work from home by yourself, for yourself, it can get really lonely. And I feel like sometimes I get stunted in my productivity or in my ideation because I have no one to really talk to about it or to bounce ideas off. But I'm hoping it is in my 2023 goals to have an office next year, even if it's just a small space, just somewhere I can decorate and work from. I think would be super beneficial and make this business really feel legit, because I still can't believe this is my full-time job. I mean, I've been doing YouTube, social media, and running Dream Daily full-time since May. So it's been 6 months now, a little over, and I still can't believe this is my full-time job. It just seems so cool, but also it's so random. Like every day is different. My schedule's never the same. It's just like, it's so weird how this is my job. I just can't believe it. And I'm super grateful for it. And I'm just so excited for 2023 and having one full year coming up where this is what I do full time. I think it's going to be super beneficial. And I really just can't wait for it. So I hope you guys are excited for the content in the new year. I'm also doing a ton of January style videos, like New Year resolution style videos. If you're new to my channel, you may not know this, but I do a series every January where I give you guys all the tips, all the advice to goal setting, planning out your year, how to actually achieve your resolutions, resolution ideas. It's going to be so fun, and I can't wait to bring you guys along. But yeah, we finished up the orders for today, and let's continue on with the video. It's currently raining outside, but we're gonna have to head to the post office to get these out before the pickup in 20 minutes. We'll see if we can make it. Good thing I live close to the post office. But I'm done packaging up today's orders. We have 2 wholesale orders, and then I already dropped off like 20 last night late because those people have been waiting a few extra days, and I wanted to make sure it was out in transit today, so that was good. But yeah, it is so dark, so I have my ring light on, but let's see if I can fit these in 2 bags. For Christmas, I'm asking for Why do I keep hearing noises? For Christmas, I'm asking for some kind of like cart, something with wheels to help me bring orders, because like this is gonna take 2 trips to my car to get all this in there, but I'm happy to do it. It's just gonna be in the rain. I sadly have to change out of my slippers. Guys, my car is literally a storage unit. Got a printer, inventory, everything is always in my car. Bye packages. So I got some new tech items I want to show you guys. I am so excited for. They are from Logitech. They're these stunning lavender and what do they call it? Lavender and lemonade keyboard and mouse duo. So I'm working with them on an Instagram campaign and they sent me their super cute keyboard and their Pebble mouse. Let's open up the keyboard. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. She is adorable. All right, I've been waiting to open it on camera, so let's open her up. She feels so nice. Like, oh my gosh, this is adorable. And then I think we just take out this little tag. Oh, this thing has an incredibly long battery life, they said, but I need to connect it now. So this is my setup I have. Let me show you. So I work from like my dining room table. I also consider this my desk. I work here more than I eat here actually. And I have this laptop stand that my brother got me from Amazon a year ago. And before I was just using the Apple keyboard and mouse that came with my old iMac, which is good. But this one is just so much cuter. Oh my gosh, like look how adorable the purple is. And they had a bunch of other colors as well. Hi friends. Okay, this video, if you haven't caught on, has been filmed throughout the week, not just all in one day, because now I'm wearing a lot more makeup than I have all week because I've been filming some content this afternoon. I still have a little bit to do, but I also have to package up all of these Faire orders. So basically wholesale orders. People are loving the streamer journals, matcha, especially champagne. I have someone who I kind of know through a connection, who bought 56 for their holiday client gifts. Like they own a marketing company and they bought them for their holiday client gifts. So I want to set aside those. And then I got 3 orders yesterday of about $100 each. So 10 journals each for boutiques across the country. I wanted to show you guys those because it's so cool, honestly. And I feel just so proud. Wholesale was a goal of mine to work on when I started going full-time in June, and I'm really proud of how far I've gone. And so I'm gonna focus on it even more in 2023, and I literally cannot wait for that. So let me show you Faire, because if you have a small business or you have a store, like check out being a seller or a buyer on Faire. It's a wholesale marketplace. They do take a little bit of, they do take a pretty good commission on your first order. It's 25%, but then I think it's like 15% when people reorder. But yeah, let me just show you like how much I've made. All right, so these are all the orders from this week I've gotten straight through Faire. Like that's how these people found me. A lot of them are the 10 journals, so like 100 orders. That should say November 29th, not December. This has been my total sales so far, which has just been super cool. These are the store's orders that I'm shipping out today. One's going to Honolulu. This one says the North Pole. It's an ice cream store, the North Pole Ice Cream. They're in New York, and then they are, I think, in California. So California, New York, and Hawaii, all these 3 orders are going out today. I sent out these yesterday. It's just so cool. So yeah, I will leave like my referral link below for Faire. It's not sponsored, everyone gets one, but I think we both benefit if you sign up through my link. And hopefully you can see a similar success or even more success than I have on the platform if you are a seller or a buyer. I'm over here editing this little video up, cuts to the end. Forgot to end the video. So here I am saying thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and more studio vlogs will be coming. Thank you for the support of my business too. It really means so much. All right, bye.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the